Good morning, students. Welcome to class 8. Welcome to my class. Today I teach you past continuous tense. Before that, I taught you present continuous tense. Now I teach you past continuous tense. As you all know that it is very important. All the tense are very important. Okay. So now past continuous, thereafter I shall teach you future continuous. So before I teach you future continuous, I teach you past continuous. So what to have to learn? So what should we have to learn? Look at here. First of all, we shall see what is the definition of past continuous tense. Means what does past continuous say? Okay. So now we have, you can see on your screen board, okay, you have a definition of past continuous tense. So I shall teach you past continuous tense definition. Okay, so we start with the definition of past continuous tense. So what I have written, I should explain you. Okay, so when look at here, just focus, your focus should be here. When an action was to be continued in past time, what does it mean? When the continuity of the action was done in past time. Okay, so it is called past continuous tense in Hindi. जब हम भूतकाल में किसी काम को लगातार करना जारी रखते थे तो उसी को हम past continuous tense कहते हैं. Okay, so now we have two example. I was going to market. Here, what does it say? First example, I was going to market. It means मैं बाजार जा रहा था. तो what is continuity in first example? तो continuity is going to market. It is continue to go to market. ठीक है? तो ये going. तो यहाँ पे देखिए what you can see here. So you can see here helping verb. What we have added as a helping verb in past continuous tense. What we have used in present continuous. So we have used EJMR plus ing form in main verb in present continuous. And what will we use? What shall we use in past continuous as a helping verb? Because ing in main verb it is a common thing. Sorry. ing in main verb it is a common thing. In continuous, ing will be there. Okay, it is a common thing. But the helping verb it will be changed according to tense. Present continuous is MR, past continuous was were, and future continuous will be shall be. Okay, so now we see past continuous. So in past continuous we have added was were, and with was were we use ing. It is a common thing in main verb. Okay, then object. So I was going. So was were. Okay, and with was were in ing form in main verb. So it is common thing ing form, but it will be changed according to tense. तो यहाँ पे हमने देखा वाज वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी फॉर्म लगेगा. तो समान सी बात है, जहां कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस होगा वहां वाज वर्ब, वहां आईएनजी फॉर्म हर जगह लगेगा. ठीक है, लेकिन केवल हेल्पिंग वर्ब बदलेगा. ओके, तो व्हाट यू कैन सी हियर के इट इज अ कंटिन्यूटी. व्हाट कंटिन्यूटी? इट गोइंग, लगातार जाना, बाजार जा रहा है. ओके, एंड इन सेकंड example they were plugging the field. What do you mean by plugging? Plugging it means cultivating. It means in Hindi जोतना. तो वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? खेत को जोत रहे थे. ठीक है, तो what is the continuity in the second example? Plugging. It is a continuity in the second example. So because it is a plural subject, that's why we have used plural helping verb, and it is a singular subject, that's why we used singular helping verb and ing form in main verb. Okay, so because of continuity of the action, it is said to be past continuous tense. ठीक है, ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Now you have on screen board identification of past continuous tense. As you have seen in present continuous, what was the identification of present continuous? What I taught you previously. तो रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. It is a identification. But in past continuous, what is the identification of past continuous? तो रहा था. Remember that. रही थी. Do not forget. रहे थे. तो what is the identification? If somebody asks you कि बेटा what is the identification of past continuous, पहचान क्या होगी? Then you have to reply, you have to answer in front of him. If he is your senior, then uncle, maybe sir. So you have to reply sir or uncle. The identification of you have to give the full answer, not a half answer. Okay? Not in shortcut. You will not use shortcut. So uncle or sir. The identification of past continuous is रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Okay? Then now we come on the rule. What is the rule? We use in present continuous of assertive sentence. So A dot S dot. I hope you understood what is the A dot S dot. So A stands for assertive, S stands for sentence. So it means assertive sentence. I have written here shortcut of assertive sentence. First of all, we write here subject. सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? Subject. Then we write here helping verb. As I taught you in the definition of the past continuous tense with the example was verb. So what helping verb we use here? Was verb. Then it is a common thing in every continuous tense. In every continuous tense, we use ing form of the main verb. In main verb, we add ing in main verb. So form में ing, then ing in the main verb, then finally we add object. Okay, is that clear to all of you? Okay, now we have an example. With the help of this example, we understand what does it say. Okay, and how to make the translation of in present continuous tense from Hindi to English. Like I write in Hindi, वह दवाई बेच रहा था. वह दवाई बेच रहा था. So that is in Hindi. Now we have to translate from Hindi to English. So first of all, we should have subject. Then we have the knowledge of where to use was, where to use verb. Then ing in main verb. We have the knowledge to add ing in main verb. Then we have the knowledge of object. So I shall teach you how to translate. First of all, we should have subject. So where is the subject? Wah. It is a pronoun. So how to identify it is he or she? So here raha tha. You can identify from here. So raha tha. If raha tha is there, so it means it is he. Or if rahi thi is there, so it means it is she. So raha tha it means he. Then I taught you earlier was. Was is a singular helping verb. So was is a singular helping verb. That's why we use was with singular subject. So what will be the singular subject in past continuous? So the singular subject of past continuous is, अब यहां ध्यान दीजिएगा, singular subject क्या होगा? Singular subject he, she, it and any naming word, it will be the singular subject. Naming word, it will be the singular subject, and with that we use singular helping verb was in past continuous. And with plural helping verb, plural subject it will be here I will add one more thing, we shall add I. And in plural subject P dot S dot, it means plural subject, plural. So in plural we add they, we, you. It is a plural, with plural we add verb. ठीक है, ये पता है आपको. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ वाज लगेगा, प्लूरल के साथ वर्ब लगेगा. ठीक है, तो ये it is not a difficult thing to know. It is very easy, but you should have the knowledge of how to use. Now he, what is he? Is it a plural or singular? So quick, you should answer quickly. It is a singular. So in the singular subject we use singular helping verb watch. With singular subject we have used singular helping verb as a watch. Then what? Where is the main verb? In Hindi sentence, where is the main verb? Main verb is here at the end of the sentence. बेच रहा, बेचना. बेचना is the main verb. तो बेचना का क्या हुआ? Sell. तो it is sell, S-A-L-E, sell. तो because we have to use the ing form. Okay? तो sell, in sell we add ing. So it will be selling. Okay? Selling. What he is selling? So he is selling medicine. So medicine, it is in form of object. So he is selling the medicine. Your translation has been completed. Okay? So it is your translation. वो दवाई बेच रहा था. So he was selling the medicine. Okay? Now here is one more example. We will take one more example to make you understand. Now, तुम घर में सो रहे थे. It is a Hindi version. Now you have to translate from Hindi to English. So how to translate? So first of all, we should have subject. So you, it is a subject. Okay. Then you is a plural subject. So with you we use verb, plural helping verb. Then we use sona. It is a main verb. In main verb we use ing form. So sleep. In sleep we add ing form. So it will be sleeping. Sleeping. Now sleeping. Where is sleeping? So where he was sleeping? So he is sleeping in घर में. So in the house. Your second example has also been completed. Okay. So you have to make the translation like this. Okay. You have the knowledge of subject, where to use helping verb, watch verb, where is the object, where is the main verb. Then if you have the knowledge of everything, so it is easy for you to convert the translation from Hindi to English. So this is not a rocket science, it is very simple. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आपका बनेगा, कोई टिपिकल नहीं है. Now we shall see the negative sentence. Okay, in negative sentence, subject, helping verb was, oblique verb, then not. किसका प्रयोग करेंगे? Not का. Thereafter we use and then object. ठीक है. Now we have the negative sentence, subject, helping verb, was verb. Then we have added after the was verb not. Then ing form the main verb and object. Now we have an example. Here we have an example in Hindi. Now we shall translate from Hindi to English. Okay. तो वह मैदान में नहीं खेल रहा था. It is a negative sentence. So first of all we should have the subject. So subject. Already I told you how to identify the subject. तो वह, if pronoun is there, वह, तो how to identify? तो if रहा था is there, तो it will be he. If रही थी is there, तो it will be she. Okay. तो रहा था, then it will be he. It is a singular subject, so we use singular helping verb. So with he we use was. Okay, was. Thereafter, where is the main verb? What will add here? So we shall add here main verb, ing form. So first of all we have the knowledge of main verb. Where is the main verb? खेलना. You can find here main verb at the end of the sentence. खेलना. Okay. So खेलना, it means play. We have the helping verb, main verb play, but we have to use ing form because it is a continuous tense. तो ing form we add here in main verb, तो it will be playing. If we add ing form in main verb, तो it will be playing. तो playing, where he was playing? He was playing in the ground. तो may it is a preposition. तो what is the may? It is a Hindi version may. तो what is the English version of may? It will be in preposition. तो in and what is the English version of मैदान? In the ground. English version of मैदान is ground. Okay, so your sentence is complete. So like this you have to, oh sorry, he was, then it is a negative. Okay, it is my mistake, sorry. Then again I shall teach you, because it is a negative sentence. Okay, so he, then was, then not. We add here not because it is a negative sentence. He was not playing in the ground and everything remains same, but we shall add here after was not. Okay, he was not playing in the ground. It will be sentence like this. Now we see interrogative sentence. How to make interrogative sentence, because there are two kind of interrogative sentence. One start with the helping verb, another start with the main WH type. So first of all we see here helping verb type interrogative. Helping verb type interrogative. पहले हम क्या देखेंगे कि सहायक क्रिया से शुरू होने वाला प्रश्नवाचक. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we put here helping verb. Why we put here helping verb? First of all, because it is a helping verb type interrogative, and in helping verb type interrogative we add first of all was verb, helping verb, then we write thereafter subject, then after the subject we write here ing form in the main verb. Okay, so it is a very simple. Then in finally we add object, and now we put here punctuation of interrogation. Okay, so how to make the translation? Example, we start with kya, because it is a sign of helping verb type interrogative kya. When you find kya at the beginning of the sentence, in the beginning of the sentence, it means it is a interrogation, it is a helping verb type interrogative. Okay, तो क्या वह I have written here the sentence, interrogative sentence, helping verb type in Hindi. Then you have to translate in English. Okay, so first of all, क्या, it's a helping verb. So how to identify कि how to use was verb? तो here वह चुरा रही थी. Now you can say here रही थी. So it means she. It will be she, and according to she, it is a singular subject. So we singular subject we add here was. First of all we write here was, it is a singular helping verb because there is a singular subject. Okay, then we add here she, was she. Now we have helping verb, now we have subject, now we have the ing form in the main verb. Churana, there you can find here the main verb churana. Churana, it means, it is a Hindi, English version of churana is steal. Steal. We write here steal, but we have to do one thing. We have to add here ing form in the main verb. So we already have written steal. Now we add here ing form in the main verb. So it will be stealing. Stealing, because it is a continuous tense. Stealing. What she was stealing? She was stealing the food. Khana. It is a object. So we write here object food. So question mark. And now we at the finally in and we put here interrogation punctuation. तो मैं समझ रहा हूँ, अब आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा किस तरह से बनेगा. If you find here plural subject like they, we, you, these are the plural subject. So with the plural subject you put here verb. Okay, but you find here singular subject like she, I, he, naming word it. So you put here was, and then ing form in the main verb. It is a common thing, it will remain unchanged, and object it will remain unchanged. Okay. Now finally we see here the WH type interrogative. The WH type interrogative Now there are two question words in WH type interrogative. How? I shall teach you. First of all, we put here first question word WH, like what, where, when, why, how many, how much, whose, whom, which. Okay. Now we put here helping verb, was verb. It is a second type of question word, as we use in helping verb type. Now here is subject. Now we add here ing forming the main verb. Now object question mark. Okay. Now we have an example to make you understand in better way. इट इज ए हिंदी. तुम कमरे में क्यों गिर रहे थे? नाउ वी हैव टू ट्रांसलेट फ्रॉम हिंदी टू इंग्लिश. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव द आइडिया ऑफ WH. वेयर इज द गिवन WH टाइप? तो क्यों यू कैन फाइंड हियर इन द मिडिल ऑफ द सेंटेंस. दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हेल्पिंग वर्ब टाइप एंड मेन वर्ब टाइप. Because helping verb type you find the interrogative sign in the beginning of the sentence, but in WH type you find the interrogative sign in the middle of the sentence. As you can see here, kyun, where you have found this interrogation sign? You have found in the middle of the sentence. Okay, so kyun. So what is the English version of kyun? It will be why. It will be why. It will be why. Okay. After why, now helping verb. Here is you. What is you? You, it is a plural subject or singular, so it is a plural. So according to plural, what will be here? Was or were? So according to plural subject, were will be here. Okay, after were we put here subject tum. English version of tum is you. Then we put here ing form. We add here ing in the main verb. So what is the ing? Where is the main verb given? Where is the main verb given? So main verb it is given here. The girna. What is the English version of girna? Fall. So we write here fall, but it is a continuous. So we add here ing form in the main verb. So we add here. If we add here ing, so it will be falling. So we call falling. Now falling where? Falling where to fall? In the room. It is a preposition may. So what is the preposition? May. It is the Hindi version. What it will be the English version of may? It